Today I will show this direction airplane. This one, I just make it is a username. This one is the direction airplane. I just named it. Now let's test how it goes. I think because I tried to test throwing one time, it's go left or right, and I think it's going to go forward now. See, it's like that. Another one. This guy wanted a soft throw, a hard throw. See, oh, it's so forward. Now I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Look. Dun, dun. Okay, now let's go to folded. Now let's fold it. Folding time. First, you can use the white paper, but you can use white paper or scrap paper, recycling paper, I think. So first, you get a piece of paper. Then you fold like this. Just make it like this and then and then you will fold like this. I think every plane will fold like this, but not the eagle. That I post that time. Not the eagle, it's not like this. Now we're not going to fold like this, but if you want to fold like this and then flip, you can. But I'm going to flip and then do like this. It's gonna be like this, and then like this, and then like this. Now your plane will look like this, and you can flip it like this and like this. Now you're going to flip it this side. Can you see? Is that the same as me? Okay. Now let's put like this. You need to open like this, and you will see like this. Open, and you will fold this down. Fold down right here. Need to fold down a bit. Just want to test the next technique. Either fold. Oh yeah, did it. Oopsie. Do. Now this one, we have another technique. This technique, when you fold down like this, right? You have two ways if you like. The direct airplane, the direction airplane, or the signal airplane. The signal airplane, you can fold like this. You need to fold that if you want to fold signal airplane. And this one, you finish like this. You didn't do anything, but you need to do like this, and then flip it and fold down here. And this one, the same. Like this, and flip and then fold down here. Like this. Now, this one, if you like the signal airplane or the direction airplane. But the signal airplane, it have a head, but the direction airplane, it don't have a head. If trying to do like mine like this, can you see at the back? I call it direction because like that, it's go do. But I want to do it the same. How? Okay, let's try. Let's fold here. Okay, and this one over here. Direction airplane is complete.